Hey, fifth grade. This morning during Hangouts, we got to talking about this timeline that is your assignment today to make. I did a short little tutorial walking through the easiest and most efficient way to make this timeline, and that seemed really helpful. And so I decided I would go ahead and do a real quick video that would kind of walk you through how you can do this whole assignment, and it will not take you very long because Google Slides actually has a way to create a timeline. So let me show you real fast. Remember, you'll go here. This is where your timeline is going to be assigned. So you're going to go and you're going to create a Google Slides. I'm going to talk about slides. You're welcome to do Piktochart if that is easier for you, but I'm going to show you how to do slides. You'll go here, you'll open up a Google Slides presentation. And remember, this timeline all has to be on one slide. The last time I had you do a timeline, I gave you the option to put multiple slides and put one event on each slide. This one has to be all on one. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that. I would get rid of these text boxes just to get them out of the way. We're going to insert a diagram. Like I said, Google Slides has a timeline feature. So it pops up right here and it says timeline. So remember, you have to have 6 dates. Those dates are found on the bottom of your research notes. You should have already accomplished those notes down at the bottom. There was a chart. You had to get those notes done. So most of you have that done. If you got it turned in, you are good to go. This assignment will simply be putting that information into a presentation. So pick whichever one you want. Make sure you have 6 dates. I like the look of this one, so I'm going to click here. Your timeline is formatted for you. So you should have 6 dates. So you can go 1987. I'll do me. Marley was born. Don't even need that. Okay. So you're going to put all of your dates. You're going to put the event on each of those dates. You do need to have a picture of your person. So we're going to insert an image. I would search the web. That's going to be the easiest place to find a picture of your famous person. I'm not famous, so my picture is not going to be on the web. But if I go Thomas Jefferson, oh look, there's a cool picture. I'm going to insert him into my presentation. And then I might have to do a little bit of formatting to make them fit with all my words. I'll move them over here. So remember, you have to have your 6 dates, you have to have a picture, and you have to have your person's name. So I'm going to also insert a text box. And I'm going to make my font bigger. Thomas Jefferson. And I can even make these a different font if I want something different. There we go. So once you put your 6 dates in there, you're done. This isn't an assignment that needs to take you a super long time. If you want to put a color on the background, you can, but the only picture you're going to have is of your person. I don't want this to be jumbled with a whole bunch of different pictures. So make sure that you have just your dates, your person's name, and your person's picture. Okay, that's a really simple way to get this accomplished. I hope that helps. If you have other questions, please let me know.